official allegedly involved in the National Rural Health Mission scam has shot himself. This happens to be Sunil Verma, who has shot himself. He was the main accused in the NRHM scam. It was his agency that was under probe by the CBI. Remember, it is this controversial scam that has been highlighted by the CBI, and it is the UP government that has been under focus on this. For more, let's go across to Pranshu, who's joining us. Pranshu, give us the latest. The NRHM main accused shoots himself.
Well, you see, that's right. It's a shocking development coming here in from Lucknow, where this project engineer with the CNDS, which is in fact a firm which has obtained several key project contracts from the Family Welfare Department, and as this key agency for executing these projects, CNDS was under the probe. Apart from the other officials of the Family Welfare Department, remember, over the period of past 2 weeks, when the raids were conducted, it was also Sunil Verma who was questioned. He was also mentioned in an FIR. Now we are getting in this report, and it has been confirmed by the local police here, that he has shot himself with his revolver at his Vikas Nagar residence. He has been rushed in a very critical condition to a nearby hospital. We don't have this confirmed report from the authorities that whether he has died or he still survives. But people close to him, people close in his family, say that probably he has succumbed to his to the bullet shot. So clearly, a major development as far as this entire probe is coming. That comes in here. We see that one of the key accused, the person who would have probably spilled out a lot of secrets as far as his higher-ups were concerned, senior bureaucrats were concerned, and politicians were concerned. That voice has been silenced. At this point, the family says and the authorities says that he has committed suicide, shot himself dead at his residence from his own licensed revolver. But clearly a very shocking case, because already the sources within the CBI have started telling us that he was the key person as far as this entire process of nabbing up, getting the evidences and vital proofs against the higher-ups was concerned. Sunil Verma could have been a very potential person for CBI, but now that person has been silent, that has shot himself dead. So if the sources are to be believed, probably he has died, but we haven't got any official confirmation that whether he has died or not. But yes, at this point in time, he has been rushed to the hospital, and this incident has taken place at the Vikas Nagar residence in Lucknow.